morning, everyone, and welcome back. Just hanging out with my neighborhood wildlife here. It's a beautiful spring day here in West Virginia. Big day here at our makeshift urban homestead. The garden is going in the ground. I have a couple things I'm going to do before I plant though. First off, to fertilize my soil, I'm going to take some of the dirt out of the forest because it's all nice, that good black dirt, real healthy. I'm going to mix that in with my soil, and then I'm also going to grab some leaves out of the forest, and I'm going to use a mixture of leaves and straw to mulch once I get the plants in the ground to keep weeds from popping up. So that's the plan. Stay tuned, and let's get after it. Alright, and we will save these leaves for our mulch. See how the layers are? It slowly just breaks down over time, and then you end up with this perfect soil. So that's what I want in the garden, to mix in with the partial clay mixture that I currently have. So I'm basically just going to dump this on. You can clearly see the difference in the two. This is what you want your dirt to look like. So this is what we're mixing in. I'm probably going to get some more, but we'll see how far this goes. The soil is prepped and ready. Got my materials for the lattice that I'm going to use to hold my beans up. The rest of the plants have been outside pretty much all day now. Get some of that good sunlight. So they're looking good, dirt's looking good. Let's get these plants in the ground. I always like to give them a real heavy water when you transplant them, just to help get those roots start sucking in all that nutrients they can. My deer friends are back. One of them just come out of this hole right here. She was very surprised when she saw me. It's probably only about 10 feet away from her. Got all kinds of friends right now. She's got a nest over in our carport. Put out a bird feeder for them, so I think they like me now. So anyways, I always go with the heavy water after you transplant, just to really soak up those roots and get them absorbing that nutrients from the soil. So the beans are in the ground, y'all. And now for my next trick, I will be planting okra and corn. it has been a long day. It is already, let's see, it is 5:35. Planted what I had room for. You know, there's spacing guidelines that you're supposed to follow. You know, plants need a certain amount of room. I'm probably a little tight on those, but so that is what I was able to get done today. I still have all these plants left, so I don't know. I really don't want them to go to waste, so I might actually end up making some raised beds or something like that. Something that'll be a little quicker. I can just buy some dirt and fill them up with that and then plant in there. So I think that's going to be the game plan for what I have left. And then I also have a little herb box that I'm going to be putting my cilantro and basil in. I'll do a separate video on that. The garden's in the ground, y'all. I'm going to get it some water. That's going to be all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next episode. Go after what you want and never quit.